Getting your business banking set up can be confusing, right? Specifically, if you've decided on Regions Bank, you might be wondering, what exactly do I need to do to open a business account with them? It's a common hurdle for new and growing businesses, but the process is actually straightforward once you know the steps and have your documents organized. Having a dedicated business bank account is essential. It helps keep your personal and company finances separate for easier accounting and tax preparation, and it provides a professional face for your operations. So, let's break down the exact path to opening your Regions Bank business account. The first step, and the most crucial, is getting your required documents together. Regions Bank will need information about you and your business entity. For the person opening the account, you'll need a valid photo ID, like a driver's license or passport, your social security number, and basic personal information. Next, you need the documents for the business itself. Every business needs its legal name, physical address, and a taxpayer identification number, which is usually your employer identification number or EIN. If you're a sole proprietor or a single-member LLC, you might be able to use your social security number instead of an EIN, but check region-specific guidelines. Beyond those basics, the specific documentation depends on your business structure. A sole proprietorship might just need a doing business as or DBA filing if you have one. But for an LLC, partnership, or corporation, you'll likely need your formation documents, such as articles of organization or articles of incorporation, and potentially a partnership agreement or corporate bylaws. It's always a good idea to check the Regions Bank website or call a branch to confirm the exact paperwork for your type of entity. Once your documents are in hand, you have two main options for opening the account, in person or online. Many businesses prefer to make an appointment and visit a Regions Bank branch. This allows a banker to walk you through the various checking account options, like Life Green Business Checking or Advantage Business Checking, and ensure you have all the proper forms for your business type. Plus, you can ask any detailed questions about features, fees, or minimum balance requirements right then and there. Alternatively, Regions offers an online application for certain types of businesses, which can save you a trip. However, be aware that complex business structures might still require an in-person visit. If you apply online, the bank may take up to about 10 business days to review your documents and finalize the application, so plan accordingly. Finally, you'll need to make your initial deposit. Regions business checking accounts typically have a minimum opening deposit, often around $100, depending on the specific account you choose. Once that's done, your business banking journey with Regions is officially underway. Following these steps, getting your personal and business documents in order, choosing your account, and completing the application either in person or online, will make the process quick and painless. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.